All right, guys, so you want to have that super dark green lawn, right? You want to have the lawn that just blows everybody out of the water. That's why you're here. That's why you came to this video. You want to have that dark green lawn. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, all right? I'll show you guys how to do it. Super quick, simple, super easy. I'm gonna show you guys the results of what I put down right now. All right, let's get right into it. All right, guys, so as you can see, this lawn over here is a little bit brighter green than my lawn. It's my lawn, my neighbor's lawn. They're the same exact grass, all right? I reseeded, I did his whole renovation with my grass. So the only difference is the products that I'm putting down, all right? So he asked me to make his lawn dark green. I'm gonna make his lawn dark green today. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm using right now, all right? So let's jump right on into it. All right, guys. So my favorite product that I put down almost regularly on my lawn to keep it this nice dark green, lawn striper from Turf Titan, man. This stuff works. Every time it works. The reason why this is different than everything else on the market is because it contains 2 active ingredients, all right? The first is gonna be your chelated iron, which you'll find everywhere, all right? Anywhere on YouTube or internet, whatever, telling you how to darken up your lawn. You wanna put down a spray, they're gonna tell you put down chelated iron. That's cool. Problem is once you mow, it's not dark anymore. This solves that problem. This contains urea nitrogen, 12% urea nitrogen. And what that does is it causes the dark green up effect from the roots up, from the bottom of the grass up. So that means when that grass is growing in, it's growing in dark green already. It doesn't need that extra iron. Obviously it's there to help, but you're growing in dark green. So you have the spray that's gonna cause the quick, fast green up. And then you have urea nitrogen, which is gonna cause the long-term green up, all right? So this product right here changes everything. It is amazing and I absolutely love it, all right? We're gonna go ahead and put this down on his lawn today. I'm gonna show you guys some before and afters. All right, so here's what the lawn looks like before. As you can see, it's pretty bright green, all right? Compared to mine, pretty bright. There's just, it's not looking great. And it's not a bad lawn, it's just bright green, all right? So what I did do is I did put down a box here. What that box is going to do is basically keep the spray from getting on there. I wanna see, you know, the obvious contrast of what the lawn looked like before, which will be under the box, and what it looks like after I sprayed it. So we're gonna go ahead and put that box in there. We're gonna go ahead and spray, and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so the directions say 6 ounces per 1 gallon of water. We're probably only gonna need a gallon of water for his lawn. It's only maybe about 500 square feet. You could do a little bit less if you wanted to. I think it's 4 to 6 ounces per 1,000, but we're gonna hit it with 6. We're gonna hit it with the max. Really see that dark green up and see what it kind of comes in at. It might be overkill, might not be. We'll see what happens. So we're gonna hit with 6 ounces right now. Fill her up and drop it down. Let's get to it. What I am also going to use is my foliar nozzle for my T-Jets, which is the 11004 VS. This is more of a foliar application. Basically, it gives smaller droplets, better surface coverage on the leaf blades. Something that you want to use if you want the leaf blades to absorb the product that you're putting down versus the air inducted nozzle, which is more for soil applications, which is what I'm usually using when I'm putting down product because it's mostly going into the soil. But since we're going for a green up effect, we're gonna go with the foliar application today, and we're gonna go ahead and use this nozzle, all right? So switch this one out today. Go ahead and use this one. If you don't have these, it's really not a big deal. You're not gonna see a massive difference, but I would use this one if this is your general application for what you're doing today.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. My way, my way, my way, my way.
All right, guys, so now that we got the spray down, go ahead and pull this box, and we'll let everything do its thing. All right, so it's all gonna sit on there for 12 hours. Box is gone, it'll water in the morning, and we'll check on back. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so we are back 24 hours later. I know I said I was gonna do 12 hours, but I'm a dad. Things kind of get in the way. So 24 hours, coming back. Let's take a look at the lawn though. So as you can see here, my lawn's still nice and dark green. But as you come over, this lawn's still not as, dark as my lawn, but it's still dark. It's darker than what it was too. So it's looking really good. Very happy. Again, 24 hours, that's all it took. 24 hours, guys. I will say, the box that I put down, I can't see the marking of it. Maybe I needed to do a bigger box. Possible that the urea in there just greened everything up. I don't really know. But overall, guys, darker green lawn. You even kind of start seeing the stripes kind of popping through there that you couldn't see yesterday when we put down the product. So really, really solid. It works fast. I love the product. Lawn Striper from Turf Titan, guys. It is an amazing product. Again, you're getting two ingredients, right? You're getting that iron and you're getting the urea. You're getting green ups from both ends of the lawn, from the bottom to the top. That's exactly what you want, all right, guys? So if you want to grab this product, I'll put a link down in my description below. If you use my link, you get 10% off the product. Go ahead and grab it, whatever. Great product. Again, you don't have to use it in the backpack sprayer. You can also use it in the hose end. They sell it with a hose end sprayer, or you can get one of your own hose end sprayers, add the product to, and it's going to work amazing. All right, go ahead and grab yourself some. Get a quick green up, dominate the rest of your neighborhood, be dark green like them, be dark green like me, have an amazing looking lawn. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button, and make sure you go out and make it a great day, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.